Hello, Uptown Galleria Nails.
Wondering if I could make an appointment.
Sure, when would you like to come in?
Possibly tomorrow.
Tomorrow, what time?
Probably 5 or 6.
With anyone specific?
I usually see Nikki for a pedicure.
Okay, and you wanna...
And I usually get a powder gel with Angela, but
Okay.
Is one of the gentlemen available? Because I don't think Angela's back yet, right?
Yeah, she's not back yet. So, regular or gel pedicure?
A regular pedicure.
Okay. Let me see.
Is Nikki available tonight by any chance?
Tonight? Tonight we're pretty busy. No, she's not available. Okay, tomorrow, dip powder. I have 5 o'clock. Can I have your phone number, please?
But could I also get a gel manicure?
Gel
A
manicure?
powder?
Dip powder?
And what's one of the gentlemen? I forgot what their names are.
Either Nikki, I'm sorry, Ethan or Tony, right?
Ethan, I believe it is.
Okay. So I do
Is he
have
available
5
for the same
o'clock
time?
for tomorrow, yes.
Okay, let's plan for that.
Can I have your phone number?
203-313.
Shannon?
Yep.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow at 5 o'clock with Ethan and Nikki.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yes. Can I just wear this? Or I need it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, sign in and fill this form for me, okay?
What is it?
37. Okay. Let me go ahead and take your temperature. 97.3. Can you write that down somewhere at the bottom for me, please? And here.
Thank you. Are you guys selling these little...
Yes.
Can I buy them?
Sure.
Okay, let me get that.
What sign do you want?
That one.
$3?
Yeah. Let me get 2 of those. Those are perfect for the hair.
Do you need the pedicure as well or just the nails?
Both.
Both?
And inside.
Are you in regular polish for your pedicure or?
Yeah, just regular.
Okay. Did you call?
Which ones are the last collection?
Those right here. Those are the last ones that.
Regular on the television.
You want to do regular polishing your pedicure, right?
Select.
That color?
What number is it? 40. And I would like one nail, like gold.
Gold?
Yeah, like sparkle.
Okay.
Gold or silver. I want to try both.
Okay, so let the technician know, okay?
Okay, thank you. With who's that over?
Give me 1 second and then we'll be right with you, okay? Ready?
Need to move receipt things.
Mm-hmm.
She don't got hers yet. I'm trying to pay for her.
You got the color?
Yeah, the 48.
Okay, she write down when you were ready.
Yeah,
Good.
a nice one, right? Which one looks nicer?
These are 3 different tones, depending on how light or how dark you want.
Okay, so 53 for her nails.
This is like more sheer.
And then gel pedicure with the removal was 47 plus 5. So, okay, 158.
Just have a little bit cooler in there.
Pink?
Do you have the reward program with us?
No. I don't need one.
You can have a sip and let it ride for you.
How do you swipe it?
Swipe it in here.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, that way. You put it in and take it out.
Fancy.
Upton Galleria nails. Yes.
Okay, it's Uptown Galleria, right? What are y'all next to? 'Cause I'm like driving around.
We are right above Eloise Nichols restaurant. We will be on the 3rd floor.
You're on the 3rd floor.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so that's why I couldn't find you guys. I'm looking at the 1st floor.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm driving back around.
Okay. And what would you like to get done today?
I wanted to do a pedicure, and also I wanted my nails done. I wanted to lack.
Okay. All right. And you say
Okay.
you're really close. Okay. And your name?
Alicia Turner. I have an appointment for 5:15. I'm a little early. I was just driving around trying to find you guys.
Oh, no, that's perfect. We can take you earlier, okay?
Okay, you're on the 3rd floor, so I gotta be over here. Are you next to the psychics or whatever?
For next to the what?
Is it psychic? Okay, right here. I think I see.
Yes, we're going to be on the 3rd floor, right on the
Okay,
corner.
Uptown Galleria. Okay, here I come.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
You want to pick out the color here? Okay. And
You
gel
can
color?
go down.
Okay.
And how about for you?
This is what I'm getting for my toes. I
No, no,
want
you- Sorry, for the gel.
the gel. I want to see if I can match up something close to this.
Okay, so we do have that one on
Uh-huh.
gel, but for some reason, OPI on gel and regular polish doesn't match exactly the same, even though they're the same. So is that okay?
That's okay.
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 Hi, Uptown Galleria Nails. Can I help you?
Hi, I would like to make an appointment.
Sure. When would you like to come in?
I would like to come on Monday.
Monday the 29th?
Yes.
Okay. What time would you like to come in?
What is the first thing in the morning?
I have as early as 9.
Okay, let me do 10 a.m.
10 a.m. With
Mhm.
anybody specific?
Well, I want gel manicure, so who would you recommend?
Okay, I'll see who available at that time and doing a good job. I will let them do for you.
Okay.
Pedicure also or just manicure?
Yes, I want to get a pedicure as well.
Regular polish or gel polish?
I would like to do gel as well.
Gel, okay. Okay, can I have your phone number, please?
Yes, 832-999-0313.
And your name is?
Cindy.
Cindy. Can you spell it, please?
Yes,
C-I-N-D.
C-I-N-D-Y.
Y. And your last name?
Molina.
Melina. Can you spell it?
M-O-L-I-N-A.
Okay, Cindy Melina.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your appointment is set. I'll see you on Monday at 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, this one will be 59. Oh, no. Hi. That's 20, 27. Okay, 55. And you can re-enter your phone number there. How's everything?
Good, thank you.
So mine was 60. How much is the pedicure and manicure? How much is each?
the pedicure, okay, your pedicure was 28. Your manicure 32.
Okay.
And then
She
hers
has regular.
regular, but
shellac and regular
okay.
manicure.
Awesome. Okay, would you like the receipt?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Enjoy the weekend. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, how are you? Just post change, right?
Yeah, just $10, right?
Hmm?
It's $10, right? Yeah.
What total?
13.
Oh,
For the pedicure, 13. I mean the polish change. 10 is for the hands.
oh, okay.
What did you do, Fatima?
I don't know. I'm confused now. Okay, ahorita voy. Yeah.
Joe polishing. Brianna, Joe polishing. Eva?
Yeah. Is this the regular polish?
Okay.
Let me take your temperature. Okay, 96.0. Can you write that down? Alright.
What is it?
96.0. Okay. Okay, we'll be right with you, okay? Okay, we can go ahead and answer your card. The chip going in there.
I
Yes.
don't have a chip on it.
Oh, you can just answer and take it out.
Okay. Do I enter it?
Yes,
Way?
the other way.
Okay.
That way. Now take it out.
Is that how you do it? Sometimes I leave it there and it doesn't work for me.
No, that's for the swipe.
Okay.
They don't have the chip. Okay, so it's just waiting on you, okay?
Okay. So how late do you guys stay open?
We close at 7.
Okay.
To the last appointment, we take around 6.
6. Okay.
6
That's
days.
good because I work down the street. I'm a nurse at Brookdale Galleria.
Oh, okay.
So I get off at 5. So that's good to know that y'all stay
Yes.
open to 7. Yes.
Okay, it's just waiting. Yeah, we take you.
Okay, this is a very messy signature.
All right.
Okay.
Would you like your receipt? You want it?
Yeah, you can get
Oh,
it.
you want it paper
Oh,
or
no,
text?
I can send an email.
Okay. It's gonna ask you to re-enter the email.
Oh, I have to re-enter it. Okay.
Okay.
Alright,
Thank you so much. Have a
Okay,
good
bye-bye.
one. Enjoy your
you.
weekend.
Good morning, Uptown Galleria Nails.
I have an appointment at 10, but I can't find the nail salon.
The nail salon, what store are you seeing right now?
I'm probably like season 52, girl.
Oh, season 52 is not around here. You can go on Westheimer and turn left on Mid Lane.
So the address I go over this one.
2400 Mid Lane.
Yeah, I'm on 2500 now. Okay,
Or 2400.
okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye bye. Hello, Uptown Galleria Nails.
Hi, I was wondering if I can make an appointment with Nikki and Ethan.
Sure. When would you like to come in?
It won't be till next week, so I guess, what about next Friday, July 10th?
Okay, July 10. What time would you like to come in?
Do they have 6 o'clock available?
What time?
6 o'clock?
6? Okay. And it's gonna be a dip for your nails?
Yes, yes,
And pedicure with Nikki.
yes.
Can I have your phone number, please?
832-661.
Jenny?
Yes.
Okay, I'll see you on Friday, July 10 at 6 o'clock.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, what time would you like to come in? Sure. I can do, you can come now. How long does it take you to get here? 15 minutes, so around 10:30. Okay, can I have your phone number, please? CC? Okay, dip powder and pedicure, right? Okay, I'll see you at 10:30. Thank you, CC. Bye-bye. How's everything?
Everything's good. Thank
Good.
you.
Go ahead and put in your phone number. Okay. The total today is going to be 38, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
I think I still have at least one check, the last one you gave me.
Okay.
But during the quarantine, I know that it's hard for everybody, so I didn't check it. I didn't catch
Let me see.
it. You can skip the tip if you gave it to her already. Yeah.
I hit no tip. We want to do. Oh, there we go. Found. Okay.
And
Okay.
sign.
We want to do anything. I kept it doing.
Receipt?
I got it.
Want a copy?
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you, baby.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Cheryl.
Thank you. I'll see you real soon.
Yes, see you. And you can book online now, right?
Huh?
You can book online now, right?
Oh, yeah. I bet that's
Okay,
how I
that's
do it
good.
my both times.
Okay, good.
But I want to make sure they in.
Yeah.
That's why I make sure they in.
Last time was just she knows she have appointment. I told her she have appointment at 9, but she had to take that day off, and it was, she told me at night the day before, so I couldn't contact you.
That's okay. That's okay. I got everything done. No big deal. Thank you. I told you.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Right.
Thank you, Cheryl. Say
Thank
hi
you.
to your mom for me,
I
okay?
sure will, sweetie. Thank you.
You got the color?
I think I wonder like this.
Oh, it's a soft white. Okay, I can write down the soft white and they can find the color for you.
Okay.